Hey guys, welcome back to RiRi Bakes and Creates. Today I'll be making this sugar sheet fault line cake. So let's get started. Okay, so last week's one, it dried, but then it started to crumble. Look, it's just crumbling where it's meant to be. Like, I'm holding it really delicate. It's meant to be, you see, look, it's still crumbling. It's meant to be hard, and it's meant to, like, not too hard, but it's meant to be hard, and you should be able to, like, mold it. But this, it just crumbles. It's meant to stay together. So this, whenever I pick it up, it just breaks. See, I can't even pick it up. But the one from today, a piece that I just cut, look at the difference. Look, you can bend this. Let's show you a demonstration. Look, this, see, it crumbled. Let's get a bigger piece. I did the same recipe as this one, but I added 2 tablespoons of liquid glucose instead to make it harder. Now I'm going to butter ice my cake. It takes a while, so I'm not going to be showing you how to do it, but if you do want to know how to do it, the link will be right up there so that you can see it. And I'll see you when I'm finished. Now that my cake has been iced, I'm going to put my sugar sheet on it. It's best to do it while it's still wet, otherwise it won't stick. I hope you like my sugar sheet fault line cake. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you never miss any of my special tutorials. Like I say every week when I do a video. And the link for my Instagram will be down below. And until next time, bye!